G'day guys, it's Vulcan Cam Man here. Just doing another moto vlog. Lane filtering beside this car. I know cars hate people for lane filtering, but whatever. So anyway, today I want to chat about a little problem I've been having with my GoPro. Basically, I've been having problems with the audio. So I've got a little external microphone, just a little Rode Levia microphone plugged into it. And the problem is, every now and then, it happens like very, very intermittently. It doesn't happen all the time. Every now and then, the audio sounds like it's, whoa. It sounds like it's coming through a really bad, you know, radio station, like really bad reception on a radio station. It sounds very crackly and very distorted, and you can't hear my voice or anything like that at all. So, which makes it really hard when you're trying to moto vlog, because you know you can't use any of the audio. So I'll play you a quick just a little example of what it's doing, and just let me know if this sounds familiar, like, you know, if you've had a similar problem or you have a solution as to how to fix it. Yeah, so this is what it's been doing. So yeah, you get the idea. It just sounds really, you know, distorted, and you can't hear a damn thing that I'm saying, you know. So you'd expect it to sound, you know, nice and clear and crisp and whatnot, like hopefully it's doing now. Like I said, it happens intermittently. I can't tell when it's going to do it or not. It just does it whenever it feels like it, and it doesn't seem to matter what setting I have the GoPro on. And by the way, I've got the GoPro Hero 5, so I've experimented with different settings on the Hero 5, and you know, it doesn't really seem to matter. It just does it, you know, whenever it feels like it. So I'm starting to think that maybe it's a firmware issue or something with the GoPro. So, because if it was a loose wire or something, it would be doing it all the time, you know. So, or a problem with the microphone, it will be doing it all the time, or most of the time. But since it does it very intermittently, sometimes I would go out for a ride and it would only do it once, and other times it wouldn't do it at all. And sometimes it would do it all the time, and I'd get like no good audio out of that entire ride, which is a real pain, especially if I'm chatting to you guys. So let me know in the comments below if you've had a similar experience with your GoPro, and you've got a solution as to what might fix it. But I'm thinking about just I'll try it with my GoPro Hero 6, because I've got a Hero 6. And I use that for other things. I don't use that for moto vlogging. I use it for, like, you know, the Karma grip and stuff like that. So I'll try the Hero 6 and just see if it does it with the Hero 6. If it doesn't, then I know it's a GoPro Hero 5. But I also know it's not a problem with the audio or the microphone or whatnot. So but yeah, I'll just experiment with it and just see what I can come up with. But if worst comes to worst, I might just have to send my GoPro away to GoPro or something, and maybe get a replacement one or something if they'll let me, because I did buy it back in October 2016, so it is a bit you know, out of warranty. But hopefully that won't matter, because being a hardcore GoPro fan, I've had GoPro ever since the Hero 2 came out, and they've just been a really good camera to me. And you know, when you're moto vlogging, I mean, you need to have reliable equipment. You know, you need to have, you know, GoPro don't want anything that will, you know, hurt their reputation. You know, so it'd be good if we could band together and, you know, form like a little committee or something like that, or a little forum or whatnot to address this problem. But yeah, we'll see. So I'll just try it with the Hero 6 later on today when I go out riding again, or the next day or whatever, and just see what happens, see what I can do about it. Anyway, so Hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and ride safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.